Are you having problems with the SideShift app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix it. So basically what we're going to do is to firstly close the SideShift app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now on this page, just scroll down and then you're going to click on General. So click on General, and here scroll down and click on Storage. And now you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to keep waiting here for this page to load, and when it's done, just swipe all the way up in here until you can see the search bar up top. So click on Search, search for SideShift here, and just click on the app. Now we're going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here. Then click on Reinstall App button. And now just simply wait for the SideShift app to completely update to its latest version. So when it's done, you can go back into the app, and hopefully now it's going to be working for you as well.